As October 2025, with current market conditions, the AE3 can generate approximately 80 USD daily when mining Aleo. That translates to potential annual yield of around 29,200 USD. Of course, these figures will depend on current Aleo price, network difficulty, and your electricity cost. With 3,400 watts of power consumption, your daily electricity cost would be approximately 8 USD 16 cents at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. That means annual electricity cost of about 2,978 USD per year. After subtracting electricity cost, you could expect the net annual profit around 26,222 USD at current conditions.